First you're going to need is a 9-volt battery, a battery cap, a switch, a buzzer and some wires. First you are going to connect the negative terminal of the buzzer to the switch. As we have connected the negative terminal, we have to connect the battery terminals. I have connected the battery cap negative terminals and now I am connecting the positive terminals. Now the circuit is complete. The circuit is very simple. Now I am going to connect the battery cap to the battery and now let's check if it will work or not. This buzzer should sound now. Now let's keep these all components in a box and make it like a doorbell. I am using cardboard to make a box and I use glue gun to stick the cardboard. I extended the wires to the button.
Oh my god! Wow!
The old switch was broken, that's why I added this push switch to the box. And now I will connect the wires to this switch. I am connecting the positive wire to the switch. And now the negative wire. I am making a hole for the buzzer to fit in. After cutting, I fit in the buzzer and connected the negative wire of the switch and the positive wire. Now I am securing it with the tape. All the connections are done now. I will connect the battery and check if it works or not. It is working and now I'll keep the battery inside and close the back cover. I will close the back cover with the help of glue. And the final output is very nice.